I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to Hairstyles by Tracy. For today's look, we'll be using 3 packs of passion lock, edge control, nail glue, tail comb, a crochet needle, and of course, some Afro-kinky hair. Stay tuned to see how this came out and the process in doing so. The first step in doing this is braiding your hair so that the parts are even and it makes the process simpler. We're going to then neaten the roots with the wax. After we've finished neatening the roots with the wax, we're going to get our crochet needle and start the crochet process by pulling the passion lock through your hair. Now the following step after pulling the passion lock through your natural hair is to get the Afro-kinky hair, and we're going to use this to wrap around your natural hair and the passion lock as a way to kind of hide your natural hair so that it looks like it's blended in, right? You want to cover all that plait with the Afro-kinky and we want to wrap this tightly. Now we're almost finished, halfway through, and this is how we are looking so far. You want to achieve straight parts so your hair is neat, and as you can see, it's wrapped tightly so that this will last a while, because this is of course a protective style. Now, as we get closer to the end of the passion lock with the Afro-kinky, you want to do this tightly so that it's sealed and it doesn't loosen. Also, what I do, I use the nail glue to seal the ends and I use our hands to blend it out so it doesn't have that glue effect at the end. We're now adding final touches. This is oil sheen going on to the lock so that it has its moisture and sheen and it's locked in. comment down below which style we should try next, and we'll definitely take a look into doing that. Until next time, remember to leave a like, comment and share.